Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the trim and exposing the mechanism. Use a screwdriver and a tray for screws to avoid losing them. Once the rose and knob are off, pull the spindle and latch out so you can see what failed. You want to identify whether the failure is the spindle, the cam, the latch, or just stripped screws, because that determines whether you replace a part or retighten fasteners. This saves time and prevents unnecessary parts purchase. Once you know the failed component, remove and replace it with a matching part. Measure the backset and spindle length so the new piece fits. You should align the cam with the follower and test rotation before reassembly. Grease pivots lightly to reduce wear. If screws are stripped, use slightly longer screws or a drop of thread locker to secure them, and file any burrs that impede movement, because smooth surfaces and correct alignment ensure the knob operates reliably. You reassemble by seating the latch, inserting the spindle, and fitting the trim. Tighten screws evenly so the mechanism does not bind. Make sure the strike plate lines up with the latch. If it doesn't, file the hole or reposition the plate. Test the knob through several full open-to-lock cycles to verify smooth operation. If binding occurs, loosen screws, realign the strike, or replace the latch. This troubleshooting step fixes misalignment, which is the most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.